So as soon as you get out of Perth station, you just cross across the street and you'll see this. This is Forest Chase, and if you just walk further, you'll see that's Murray Street, and then opposite that is Hay Street, which we will definitely walk. But just wanted to show you, just opposite this is the Perth station. Perth station is the central station where it connects to every other station, and probably if you're traveling over here, you'll definitely come across the station. And if you do, and if you're not aware of it, just come out of the station and you can just explore these places over here. And if you want to go to North Bridge, you can just take that and just take a step up and then walk across, and then you'll get to North Bridge. Now you can also get to Perth Cultural Centre. So if you just walk, you'll get to Perth Cultural Centre. So one thing you'll notice, everything is near over here. You probably might have to come one day or two there again. Yagan Square is just a walk there as well, so everything is really close. So if you're planning to come there, I suggest you make a 2-day itinerary, or if you're really good at walking, then you should be able to walk everywhere. But there are also places that you would have to visit. So yeah, I would suggest you to come twice over here, because you're not just going to do a walkthrough just like me, but you also want to visit. There's some free stuff as well. There's shops, a lot of shops to visit. There's a museum, there's an art gallery, and of course Perth Cultural Centre. So yeah, I'll just show you. This is the main Perth station platform, and yeah, there you go guys.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Restaurants that you'll find over here. This is Perth Underground. And this is the end of Murray Street, but on the left hand side, as you walk over here, you'll find a lot of famous shops and famous restaurants rather. So yeah, you have a lot of fries, you have 7-Eleven, you have Sushi Hub, you have KFC, you have Hungry Jack's, you have McDonald's, So if you are feeling hungry, don't worry, there's a lot to eat over here, something you will get of your own choice. And as we complete this walk, you'll probably see, we will introduce you to the Hay Street. And here we are at Hay Street. So, and of course you'll see a very beautiful buildings over here. So this is Hay Street. And this is just a walkthrough video, but if you go to each shops and just visit them, you'll probably end up spending half a full day. So if you're planning to come over here, I suggest you have a lot of bags as well to carry your stuff, because you'll see a lot of shops: JB Hi-Fi, Woolworths, Kmart, you name it, Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, you name it. Come on. And there's shortcuts as well. So this is a shortcut. It will take you through Murray Street, but I just wanted to show you throughout it. There's another way to go through it, through this city. And it will also take you to Murray Street. Go. And this is the famous London Court over here. As you can see, it's one of the oldest shopping centre in Perth, and definitely have a walk through inside. Definitely love it. And that will be towards the end of Hay Street. So if you want, let's just quickly go through it. It's not a very big walk. Just quickly walking through this. I did make a separate video, but it's very far. Julia's Gift and Souvenirs. This is one of the best places to shop for souvenirs. It's really cheap. It's closed today for some reason, but I I've been here and I've shopped. It's a really good shopping place. So yeah, just gonna go out and resume. So here we are. We are back at A Street, and let's just walk towards the end, and then I'll show you what's here towards the end. Here we have EV games. Pretty good. And this is the end. Now if you want to walk further, then if you walk straight you will see City of Perth Library, and that's a good place to visit. It's free, or if you just want to stop over and have Macca's over here, you could do so. If you want to go for a haircut, you can go for over here. It's a little, well, prices are expensive, so yeah. There's some other restaurants over here. Depends on your taste and preferences. Back to Murray Street. So that's about it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please do give a like and consider subscribing. Thank you.